I'm attorney Nick Alcock, and in this video we'll answer the question, do immigration attorneys offer free consultations in Phoenix? And yes, they do. My law firm has always offered a free consultation for any type of immigration case here in Arizona. We handle cases statewide. And I know that many attorneys do offer, many law firms charge for consultations, and I'll tell you why we don't charge for consultations. The main reason is that an attorney should know relatively quickly whether or not someone is eligible for relief. And so it doesn't take an hour, it doesn't take half an hour for us to determine whether or not someone is likely to qualify. And so you could build an immigration law firm around the idea of just having tons and tons of people come into the office. You have a 20-minute, 30-minute long conversation, and really the law firm at the very beginning knows that the client doesn't qualify for the relief that they're seeking, but they still do the consult anyway because they want to make the $100 or they want to make the $200 or whatever it is they're charging for a consultation. So my law firm doesn't do that. We try to be as upfront, as straight as humanly possible, and when we offer a fee, it's because we believe that there is a path and that the person does qualify. If we find out that our client does not qualify for the relief that they're seeking, we always do everything we can to give the money back, call it a day. Of course, there are some instances where clients come in and they don't necessarily tell us everything about their case, or that they leave something out. In those cases, when we work on those cases, from the beginning, sometimes it could be a couple months before we realize that there is a problem with the qualification. That's why when you do come into our firm, we're not charging any money. Everything that you say to us is absolutely confidential. Please tell us the truth. Tell us everything that there is to know about your situation, your entries, how long you've been in the United States, any prior removals, all of those things, criminal history. All of those factors are incredibly, incredibly important. So we don't charge for the consultation, but we ask for complete candor. We don't tell anybody. Everything that you tell us is 100% confidential. And there's absolutely no obligation whatsoever. If you come to my law firm and we interview you, we're trying to determine whether or not there are real paths to help you. And my goal is to help every single person that comes in. And sometimes that's just by telling them the truth. Sometimes that's by identifying a path for them to gain adjustment of status or some type of immigration benefit that maybe they didn't know about. And so I found it very, very rewarding. So if you're calling around and you're looking for attorneys, you're discouraged at the notion that many attorneys that handle immigration cases charge money for those consultations, you can always just give us a call. 602-989-5000 is our number. It's a free consultation for any immigration case in Arizona. Thanks so much.